can't listen to audio on Pinterest due to location restrictions? Here's how you can fix it. Check your location settings on Pinterest. In some cases, certain audio or video content is region locked, and this can cause issues with availability. Make sure your location is set correctly in the Pinterest settings. Ensure that your Pinterest app is up to date. App updates often fix bugs or compatibility issues, including problems with audio. Switch your internet connection. Sometimes a poor or unstable connection can cause the audio to not load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if this helps resolve the issue. If none of the above steps work, uninstall and reinstall Pinterest. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the app, which may fix issues related to content restrictions. Check other audio streaming apps to confirm that the issue is specific to Pinterest and not a broader network issue. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.